Storm Amy has made its presence felt across the United Kingdom, unleashing heavy rainfall and powerful gusts of wind. Overnight, a remarkable 96-mile-per-hour gust was registered in the Inner Hebrides. Currently, an amber wind warning is active for portions of northern Scotland, with the Met Office issuing a stark advisory regarding potential power outages and flying debris that could pose a danger to life. Across the wider UK, a yellow warning for winds remains in effect until Saturday evening. Tragically, a man in his 40s lost his life in the Republic of Ireland on Friday due to what authorities are describing as a weather-related incident. Northern Ireland experienced significant impacts, with amber wind warnings earlier on Friday leading to hundreds of schools closing preemptively. In Scotland, electricity networks are working diligently to restore power to 62,000 customers. However, approximately 22,000 properties in Northern Ireland are still without electricity. The severity of the winds is underscored by the record-breaking October gust of 92 miles per hour recorded in County Londonderry. While Storm Amy is now moving away from northern Scotland, the amber warning there persists until 9 p.m. BST today, with forecasts of 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts and potential 85 mile per hour bursts, indicating continued disruption and possible damage. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.